Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to reset your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or computer. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reset your Windows 10 or 11, or if you want to format your Windows 10 or 11 computer or laptop, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on your start menu, then type here settings, then click on settings. In this you can see here search box. Here you need to type recovery. In this you can see recovery option, just click on that. In right section you can see here recovery option. Under that you will find reset this PC. Just click on reset PC. After clicking reset this PC, you will get two options here: keep my files and remove everything. If you don't have any files, just you can select these options. If you have important files on your laptop or PC, you can select this option, keep my files. Just click on that. Here you can see two options. One is cloud download and reinstall Windows, and another one is local reinstall Windows from this device. Guys, if you are not connected to the internet, you can select this option. It requires any CD or USB drive for this. If you are connected to the internet, you can select this option, cloud download. You can see here cloud download can use more than 4 GB of your mobile data or your internet data. You can select this option, then click on next. You can see here ready to reset this PC. Resetting will change setting back to their default, keep your personal files, download and reinstall Windows, remove all apps and programs. Just click on reset and it will take some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, your PC will be resetted or it will be formatted. That's it guys. So in this way you can reset your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer or laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.